Hello everyone, imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a pristine beach, sipping coffee in a charming European cafe, or brainstorming your next big idea, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of a mountain range. This is the life of a digital nomad lifestyle that combines work and travel, freedom and adventure. But with so many incredible destinations to choose from, where should you plant your laptop in 2025? Today, we're diving into the best countries for digital nomads in 2025, exploring the top spots that offer the perfect blend of fast internet, affordable living, vibrant communities, and unforgettable experiences. Introduction to digital nomadism. Hey there, fellow wanderers. I'm your name, and if you're dreaming of trading your 9-to-5 office for a life of adventure, you're in the right place. Digital nomadism has exploded in popularity over the last decade, and by 2025, it's expected to be even bigger. Thanks to remote work opportunities, co-living spaces, and countries rolling out digital nomad visas, the world is truly your office. But with so many options, how do you choose the best country for your nomadic journey? Well, that's what we're here to figure out. Criteria for the best digital nomad destinations. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what makes a country great for digital nomads. First, you need reliable, high-speed internet base. No one wants to deal with buffering during a Zoom call. Second, affordability is key. You want your dollar or euro or yen to stretch as far as possible. Third, safety and quality of life are non-negotiable. And finally, a thriving digital nomad community can make all the difference when you're far from home. With these factors in mind, let's explore the top countries for digital nomads in 2025. Number 1, Portugal. First up, Portugal. This European gem has been a favorite among digital nomads for years, and it's only getting better. With its affordable cost of living, stunning landscapes, and welcoming locals, Portugal is hard to beat. Lisbon and Porto are hotspots for remote workers, offering co-working spaces, trendy cafes, and a vibrant expat community. Plus, Portugal's digital nomad visa makes it easy to stay long-term. And let's not forget the food pastas de nata. Anyone? Number 2, Thailand. Next, we're heading to Southeast Asia. Thailand. Known for its affordability, delicious street food, and warm hospitality, Thailand is a digital nomad paradise. Chiang Mai, in particular, has been a hub for remote workers for years, offering low living costs, fast internet, and a laid-back vibe. Bangkok is perfect for those who love the energy of a big city, while the islands provide a tranquil escape. And with Thailand's new digital nomad visa, staying long-term has never been easier. Number 3, Mexico. Vamos a Mexico. Mexico has become a top destination for digital nomads. Thanks to its rich culture, affordable living, and diverse landscapes. Mexico City is a bustling metropolis with a thriving art scene and endless culinary delights. If you prefer a slower pace, Tulum and Playa del Carmen offer stunning beaches and a bohemian vibe. And with Mexico's temporary resident visa, you can enjoy all this for up to 4 years. Number 4, Estonia. Now, let's head to Estonia, digital nomad pioneer. This small Baltic nation was one of the first to introduce a digital nomad visa. And it's a tech-savvy paradise. Tallinn, the capital, is a blend of medieval charm and modern innovation, with excellent internet speeds and a growing nomad community. Plus, Estonia's e-residency program makes it easy to run your business from anywhere. If you're a fan of history, nature, and cutting-edge technology, Estonia is calling your name. Number 5, Costa Rica. Pura Vida, Costa Rica is a dream destination for nature-loving digital nomads. With its stunning biodiversity, eco-friendly mindset, and laid-back lifestyle, it's the perfect place to recharge while you work. San Jose offers urban conveniences, while Beach towns like Tamarindo and Santa Teresa provide a more relaxed vibe. Costa Rica's digital nomad visa allows you to stay for up to 2 years, giving you plenty of time to explore this tropical paradise. Number 6. Georgia. Ever heard of the Remotely from Georgia program? This small country in the Caucasus region is making waves in the digital nomad world. With its low cost of living, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes, Georgia is a hidden gem. Tbilisi, the capital, is a mix of old-world charm and modern innovation, with plenty of co-working spaces and cafes. And let's not forget the Wine Gorja is one of the oldest wine-producing regions in the world. Number 7. Australia. Down under, Australia is stepping up its game for digital nomads. While it's not the most affordable destination, its high quality of life, stunning landscapes, and strong internet infrastructure make it worth considering. Cities like Sydney and Melbourne are hubs for creativity and innovation, while places like Byron Bay offer a more relaxed vibe. Australia's new digital nomad visa is making it easier for remote workers to experience the land of kangaroos and koalas. Honorable mentions. Of course, there are so many other amazing countries for digital nomads. Spain's vibrant culture, Indonesia's tropical beauty, Croatia's stunning coastline, and Colombia's lively cities all deserve a shout-out. The world is full of incredible destinations, and the best one for you depends on your preferences and priorities. Tips for choosing your destination. So, how do you choose the perfect country for your digital nomad journey? Start by asking yourself a few questions. What's your budget? Do you prefer city life or nature? What kind of climate do you enjoy? And how important is a strong nomad community to you? Once you've figured that out, do your research, connect with other nomads, and don't be afraid to take the leap. The world is changing, and so is the way we work. In 2025, the possibilities for digital nomads are endless. Whether you're drawn to the beaches of Thailand, the history of Estonia, or the pura vida lifestyle of Costa Rica, there's a perfect destination out there for you. So pack your bags, grab your laptop, and get ready to embrace the adventure of a lifetime. The world is waiting.